In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Telegram private channel videos. Before we start, make sure you are signed in to a Telegram account that has access to the private channel. And only download content you have permission to save. First, let's use Telegram Web. Open Telegram Web in your browser. You can do this in Chrome or Firefox. But the extension method I am about to show is for Chrome. In Chrome, click the three vertical dots in the top right corner. Choose Extensions, and then select Visit Chrome Web Store. In the store's search bar, type TG Download Helper. Look for TG Download Helper Telegram Video Downloader, then click Add to Chrome and confirm. Once it's added, go back to Telegram Web. If you already had Telegram Web open, refresh the page so the extension can activate. Now head to the private channel that contains the video you want. You should see a download media option appear with the video. Click it to start the download. Depending on your browser settings, you may be asked to choose a folder, or it might go straight to your downloads folder. If you don't see the file right away, check your browser's downloads panel or the default downloads folder on your computer. Large videos can take longer, so keep the tab open until the download completes. And make sure you have enough storage space. If you are browsing in Firefox, you can still use Telegram Web to view your channels. The Chrome extension steps are specific to Chrome, so follow those in Chrome when you need the download option. Refreshing the page after installing the extension is a good idea if the download button doesn't appear immediately. Now, let's look at the Telegram desktop app method. Open the Telegram desktop application. Go to the channel with the video, right-click the video and choose Save As. Pick your destination folder. Give the file a clear name as needed, and confirm. You'll see the progress as it saves. Keep the app open until the save finishes to avoid an incomplete file. If the Save As option doesn't appear, make sure the app is up to date and that the video has fully loaded in the chat. A few quick tips to wrap up. Keep a stable internet connection, especially for longer videos. Organize your downloads by naming files clearly or saving them into labeled folders. And again, always respect channel policies and creator rights when downloading. That's it. Thanks for watching.